Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about the feature of Autocad Polyline. In the last video we learned how to use the line command, and so furthermore we are going to learn today the Polyline command. As you saw in the last video, when we create a line, for example this is a line and this is a line, and we exit, so as you can see that these are two different line segments and they are not joined together. So what should we do when we want to create a line that is continuous, that this whole segment is one segment? So in order to do this we use the command polyline. There is also another way of doing it using the join command, which we will discuss later in any part. So today we are going to learn about polyline. So I click polyline, or you can also enter P and P OL polyline. Here it is P line. So it is asking for you to specify the start point. So just like the line command, you will specify the starting point, and I clicked over here, and then I clicked over here, and then here and here and here, and press escape. So as you can see, when I hover my cursor over this line, it is being shown as a single line. Meanwhile, these two segments are being shown as two different segments of lines. So this is why we use polyline, so that we can create a single line that is not divided into segments. That is all for this video. Hope you liked this and this was informative to you. Please share if possible, and like and subscribe. Thank you.